Children, in the first period, we discussed about we the people of India, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Rachel, what do you mean by we the people of India?
Can I say?
No. Rachel.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was not there.
No. Rachel Boban.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by we the people of India?
We the people means
We the people means what?
Just
Rachel.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by we the people of India? We the people of India means what? Not getting?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Who will say Fizan?
Constitution is enacted by the people.
Yes. Enacted by the people
of their representatives.
Through their representatives. Rachel, now you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you repeat it?
Constitution which
is enacted
by the people.
The constitution is enacted by the people through whom?
Representatives.
Through their representatives. Children, the term itself, we the people of India. We the people of India means what? All the people in India. Is it possible for all the people to make a constitution?
No, ma'am.
Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No. So who will do it? Our representatives. Representatives will do it. That is the meaning of the sentence. We the people of India. That means the constitution has been enacted by the people through their representatives. That means it is not done by any king or any other external power. It is done by the representatives of the people. Okay, that's the first point. And which is the second term which is given in bold capital letter? Which term? Next one?
Sovereign.
Sovereign. The next term is? Have you heard about the term sovereign?
No, ma'am.
Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by sovereign? Any idea?
People have supreme right to take decisions.
Sovereign means, sovereignty means the people have the supreme right. Okay. Sovereignty means who have the supreme right? This also we discussed. People have, the people have supreme power. That morning I asked you. You remember that? Is America is deciding the internal and external affairs of India?
Oh.
No, ma'am.
No, who's deciding?
Indian government.
The Indian government, right? Who's electing the Indian government?
People.
Elected by the people. So sovereign means people have the supreme power. Sovereign means?
So, people have the
supreme power for what?
Right to make decisions.
For what? To take decisions. Okay. To take decisions. So sovereign means the people have the supreme power to take decisions about its internal and external matters related to within the country what to do, and outside the country how we must maintain the relationship with the rest of the world. Who is deciding that? Our government. Our government is elected by the people of India. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by sovereign? Sovereign means
people
have the supreme power. The people have the supreme power to taking decisions related to what? Internal as well as external matters. Internal as well as external matters. That is sovereign. So then I will ask you a question. If a sovereign country, China can take any decision related to India about
No.
how to rule the country. Is it possible?
No.
No. Or America can decide about our external relationship with China?
No.
No.
Ma'am.
No. So that means sovereign means who will decide? The people in the country will decide both its internal as well as external matters. What to do within the country, how to keep the relation with the other countries. That means both internal as well as external. Pavitra, Godwin, Nihal, Shweta, Vishnu, children turn on the videos. Nihal, what happened? Any network issue, Nihal?
No, ma'am.
No, Nihal will normally, your video is always on, that's why I asked. So that is the second term, sovereign. A sovereign is clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by sovereign?
The people have the right to
take this.
The right to.
Anaj, can you say what do you mean by sovereign? Anaj? Anaj? Where is Anaj? Not there? Olive? Nabil?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by sovereign, dear?
That Indian constitution that.
Sovereign means what? Think and answer.
No, ma'am.
Wait. Let him say sovereign. In a sovereign country, who have the supreme power, Nabil?
King.
King. Nabil.
Oh, ma'am, that minister and all. No?
Minister and all. Who is electing these ministers and all?
The active people.
Active people. Who are electing
That
the ministers?
King
is electing the ministers. Nabil. Anything, any problem, dear?
I didn't study.
I didn't heard like that you say. Roshan Jain, can you say, dear?
The people have the supreme power to take decision.
Nabil, can you hear that?
Yes.
Yes. What do you mean by sovereign? The people have
supreme power to take
supreme power to take decision related to what? People have supreme power to take decisions on
electing minister.
On internal and external affairs. On internal and external affairs. Nabil, can you repeat that?
For internal and external affairs.
Full sentence.
People have the supreme power to internal and
supreme power to take
internal and external.
To take what?
Decision. Internal and external.
Both internal and external matter. Once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Once again, repeat it.
People have the supreme power to take decision of internal and external affairs.
Once again.
People have the supreme power of
to take
decision of internal and external
and external affairs. That is sovereign. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am.
To all of you, the two terms, we the people of India, and what do you mean by sovereign? We the people of India means the constitution is drafted by the elected representatives. Then the second one, sovereign. Sovereign means people have the supreme power to take decisions both internal and external matters of the country. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next term is, which is the next term? Which is the next term?
Socialist.
Socialist. Have you heard about socialism?
Yes, ma'am.
Many films and all we can hear the term socialism. What do you mean by socialist?
Ma'am, that party
One party which is giving more importance to socialism. Socialist means?
People who practice social.
Be louder. Navneet, be louder, dear.
Ma'am,
Yes.
people who practice.
People must practice socialism. So socialism means what? Any idea? You know any country which followed the socialist pattern?
No, ma'am.
No. Have you heard about USSR, children? USSR.
Ma'am, can you tell the full form?
USSR, you never heard?
No, ma'am.
No. Russia.
Yes, ma'am.
Russia, yes, Russia. The ancient time, it is not a country called Russia. It includes different countries. And they tried to practice over the socialism, but it is not, it will work for a short period of time, but long period of time, we cannot follow the exact socialism. So what do you mean by socialism? It is related to what?
Society.
Socialism. As per the socialist, they are saying that the wealth, okay, the wealth is shared equally. They are saying the wealth should be shared equally. The wealth is generated socially and should be shared equally by the society. And also the government regulate the ownership of the land and industry to reduce the socio-economic inequality. That means the government must play an important role in a socialist pattern of society. Socialism means the wealth should be generated, the wealth generated in the society should be divided equally. That's why I told you the USSR, first they practice like that. All the people have equal. What, suppose Rohan Jain is a industrialist and I am a beggar. Okay, but when the wealth is dividing, both of us have the equal right. But is it work for a long period? Do you think so?
No, ma'am.
No, why? See,
Because
Rohan and I am earning the same thing. So, Rohan, are you interested to do or increase to your? Are you interested to increase your turnover or profit?
Yes.
Yes, but you will get only what I am getting. Are you happy?
No.
No. So what will happen? In the long term, it will not work in a proper way. Okay. But in our concept, the socialism means the wealth should be generated in the society and should be shared equally. And who can play an important role in it?
government.
Government, right? The government can play an important. That means here what we do is some of the important industries or some of the important organs and all the things government, right? An example I will say schools. Schools, okay? We have too much of government schools are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, hospitals. Government is running too many hospitals, too many schools and all. Why? Because to ensure an equality. Even though the people, they are not economically well also, they also want to access all these facilities. So our government will run these types of institutions, either schools, hospitals, etc. So socialism means the wealth is generated in the society and should shared equally. But who will play an important role there? The government will regulate the ownership to reduce the socio-economic inequality. That's why our government is giving too many subsidies and all the things, and also grants for the people to improve their socio-economic condition. Have you heard about the public distribution system, children? No. Ration shops?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That is public distribution system. It is coming under PDS.
I-
Okay. The ration shops. The ration shops, can you see how the pattern of distributing food grains in the ration shops
Yes.
is equally for all?
No.
No. How?
There one card and only.
Ah, yes, very good. Cards, different cards are there, right?
Yes.
Is all the card have same color?
No.
No.
Is anybody's house have a pink card?
No.
Pink? No. Pink means BPL, below poverty line. You have no sufficient income, that's why we have a pink card. Then blue card?
Blue card.
Yes.
No idea. Blue card?
Yes.
Krishna, is this way your place also you have a ration shops there? Krishna?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your card color also? Like pink, blue and white?
Ma'am, not pink, blue and white.
Only blue and white is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody have a white card? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Just ask, okay, today is your family, whether it's a pink card,
Yeah.
blue card or a white card.
White
Pink means
card.
White card, okay. Blue means we are above poverty line, APL. White card means we are in the above poverty and blue. Yes, that all are coming under APL.
What is white card?
White card means that I told you, it become a white card.
Now what is APL?
APL means above poverty line. BPL means below poverty line. Based on that, this ration cards color is there. Blue card means we all are in APL. If you have a pink card, you are in a BPL. So if now the state government, mine is white. Okay, we are coming and more than APL. That's why. When now the government is giving some Ona kit. Have you heard about that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First it is given to the yellow card and pink card. Then to blue card, then to white card. Now you are reading the newspaper, you will get it. By the some money. It's the time of Corona. The central government is giving some, or the state government is giving some help to the BPL card. That means to reduce the socio-economic inequality. That means to ensure the welfare of the people. It is done only in a country where we are following a socialist pattern. That's why we must consider all the categories of people. Okay, that's why we are giving the rice and other food grains at a low cost, and also ensuring the ensuring proper food to all. We are giving food grains at a low price and all. Okay. Socialist means the wealth generated in the society should be shared equally. And who will play an important role there?
Government.
Government. Okay. The government should regulate the ownership of the land and also the big industries. And then it helps to reduce the socio-economic inequality. That is also an important value that we are following in our constitution. The socialist pattern of society. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then, the another term is, I think it's very familiar to you. That is, what is this?
Secular.
Secular. What do you mean by secular?
Every citizens are equal. Every citizens are equal.
That is secular.
Not promoting one religion.
Promoting one religion.
Not promoting one religion.
Not promoting any one religion, right? Then,
Security.
security. Secularism means what? India is a secular country. You can proudly say that you are living in a secular country. What do you mean?
Freedom to follow any religion.
Freedom to follow any religion, right? See, Saudi Arabia. Have you heard about Saudi Arabia?
Yes, ma'am.
Is anybody went to Saudi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Isha, you were, right?
I'm in Dubai.
You went, I'm asking to Saudi Arabia. Is anybody went to Saudi Arabia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Noble.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Noble, suppose your sister want to go outside in Saudi, how she can go? She can
By
wear a churidar and she can go?
no, ma'am. Parda. Abaya.
Parda. See, in Saudi it is compulsory. I think no other Gulf country it is not so compulsory. But in Saudi it's compulsory. When you are going outside, you must wear a parda.
Hindus also want to wear.
Whoever, whether you are a Hindu, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Christian, Buddhist, Parsi, or any religion in the world, you must wear a parda there. Noble, am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's compulsory there. When we are going, I never went there, but the persons who were there told to me that when they are going from here itself, they will buy 1 or 2 parda with them. Because it's compulsory to wear a parda in Saudi Arabia. Why? Why?
And because
It is not a secular state.
Because they are giving importance to only which religion?
Muslim.
Muslim, Islamic religion. They are giving importance only to the Islamic religion. So it's compulsory to wear a parda there. But in India, is the government can say like that?
No,
Tomorrow
ma'am.
onwards, when you are going outside, you must wear a parda. Is our government will say like that?
No, ma'am.
No. Why?
Not secularism, not there.
Why in India they are not saying like that? Because in India, we are not giving any emphasis to any religion. We are treating all the religion with the same status. Always remember this point, children. Secularism means there is no official religion for the country. What do you mean by secularism?
A country does not have.
Country does not have any official religion. In the constitution of our India, it is clearly mentioned that India is a secular country. That means we are not giving any importance to any religion. At the same time, we are giving equal status to all the religion. You can believe in any religion you like. You can follow any religion you like because we have the freedom that. In the fundamental rights also, I think you studied. We have the right to freedom of religion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that means we have the freedom to follow any religion. Clear? So what do you mean by secular? Secular means?
A country
No.
Freedom to follow any religion.
No freedom.
Freedom to follow.
Freedom to follow any religion or no official religion. No official religion, or you can follow any religion. You can practice or profess any religion. Okay. That is, yes.
Secular difference only.
Sorry, Bizan?
And secular and secularism is same.
Yes. Same. Secular means the citizens have complete freedom to follow any religion. So what do you mean by secularism? The people, the citizens have the complete freedom to follow any religion. There is no official religion for the country. The government cannot compel a person to follow a particular religion. And also the government cannot deny the right of the people also. That is a part of secularism. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the 3 points. One is we the people of India. The next is sovereign, socialist, secular. Clear?
Yes.
Next is democratic. That we studied. What do you mean by democratic?
Form
of government in which?
People
by the government.
Yes. What do you mean by democratic?
Form of government where people can have equal political rights.
Democratic. People have equal political rights. Not read from the textbook DS. What we studied about democratic?
By the people, for the people.
By the people, for the people, and one more is there.
Of the people.
Of the people. So any other definition? It's a form of government in which
The rulers are
People
elected.
can
the
vote
rulers
for
are
By the
elected
people.
by the people.
people.
That is a democratic form of government. A country in which the rulers are elected by the people. That
Ma'am,
is,
can you let the point we the people of India?
sorry, Vizan.
Ma'am, can you repeat the point we the people of India?
What do you mean by we the people? You said the answer, then now you have a doubt.
No, that is for secular.
Secular means what? You can follow. The citizens have complete freedom to follow any religion. Okay. The citizens have complete freedom to follow any religion. So children, is this much terms are clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Ma'am.
first we discussed we
We the people of India.
the people of India. That means the constitution is enacted by the people of India through their representatives. We the people of India. Second point we studied is what? Which one?
Secularism.
Not secularism.
Sovereign.
Sovereign. Sovereign means the people have supreme power to take decisions on internal as well as external affairs. Third one,
Socialist.
socialist. Socialist means the wealth is generated socially and it should be distributed
Really.
equally. And who will play an important role there?
Government.
Government. And the next is
Secular.
secular. Secular means the citizens can follow
Any
any
religion.
religion. That means there is no official religion for the country. Then the next is
Democratic.
democratic. Democratic means the leaders are elected
By the people.
by the people. That means the people have equal political right, right?
Yes.
All the people have the right to vote. That is democratic. And then one more term is here, that is republic. What do you mean by republic?
The head of state.
A republic. Republic means what?
Ma'am, constitution.
Republic means?
The head of state is an
Yes. Yes. Children, have you heard about Britain?
yes.
Yes. Britain
Yes,
is not a it's a democratic country maybe, but it is not a republic country. But America is a republic country. India is a republic country. Why? Now the election is in America. Have you seen that in the newspapers and all? The candidates and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Fizan? Have you noticed that, children? Now there is, I think, 4 years for the president, and now the election, president election. Direct election is going to be there. From his opposition parties there and all. Have you noticed it? No. But today onwards, some news will be there related to this topic. Please read it, okay? We call America as a republic country. India is a republic country. Why?
Okay, ma'am.
Why India is called as a republic? We are celebrating the Republic Day.
Please.
What is the meaning of republic?
Ma'am, asking.
The head of the state will be an elected.
The head of the state is an elected representative. That means it is not a hereditary position. In Britain, who is the head? Britain, who is the head of the country?
Queen.
Queen, right? It is a queen is the head of the country. Is it an elected post?
No.
No.
It's a hereditary, right? It's a hereditary post. Queen is an elected head of the state. But in the case of India, who is the head?
President.
President. Who is electing the president?
People.
Us people.
See, children, in India, we are not directly electing the president, okay? There is a difference. In India, we are not directly electing the president, but our elected representatives are electing the president. Our elected representatives. Yes, sorry, Fizan.
Washington DC is that republic now electing.
Sorry, it's not clear. Once again.
Washington DC is electing the
That is
Republic now.
America. The president for the whole country, United States of America, they have a president. That is a direct post. In America, the election to the president is a direct election. The people are directly electing the president there. But in India, our president is elected by the elected representatives. Okay. That is a republic means, what do you mean by republic? The head of the state is an elected person. It is not a hereditary position. The head of the state is an elected person. It is not a hereditary position. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
To all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? These much points?
Ma'am.
We, the people of India, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. So children, the next class, I will ask this to each and everyone in the class. So study these much and come to the next class. Yes, Fizan?
Ma'am, can you repeat the republic?
Republic means the head of the state is an elected person. The head of the state is an elected person. It's not a hereditary position. It's not a hereditary position. What do you mean by hereditary? I hope it's clear to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, revise it very well for the next class, okay? To all, thank you all. Convey my birthday wishes to Chris Jo, okay? Morning I didn't, morning I didn't see your status. Now only I saw, but now he's not here. So if you are calling him, convey my birthday wishes to him, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.